Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Watching C.U.P car unboxing place. Today I'm going to unbox this shoe stand. So let me unbox it. Let me open it. This is a materials, guys, you'll get. It's very strong. And this is a plastic you'll get for fixing it. And this is a cloth. Actually it's very good material, not so bad. It can do its job. It's okay, but if you try to put more pressure, it can damage. Yes. So we'll figure it out how to fix this one. I'll keep the time lapse. We'll get 3 steels, 1 small steel, 1 medium steel and 1 large steel. So small steel will go here and the medium steel will go here and the long steel will go here, and we'll get 3 plastic set. This 1 2 3 4 and 5. This plastic will go in the middle here, and this 1 2 3 holes will go right here. So I'll fix it. How it look like, and we'll get below last we'll get plastic, and this materials have to be, this long side have to be down, make sure that, or else it will be misbalanced. And this is zip we'll get, and if we fold this, so we'll get a small sticking over there to stick and to keep open like this. And if you open this, and you can zip it. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give a like. Don't forget to click the bell notification on whenever I do the new upload video. You'll be the first person to watch the video. Thank you. Love you all.